Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable mobile hotspot and explain all of its settings on your OPPO Reno 7, but it also works the same way on any OPPO Reno 7 series like Pro or Lite. So the first thing is to make sure that you have some internet connection, and the next thing is to disable airplane mode, because then you won't be able to enable this mode. So now, in order to actually enable our personal hotspot, there's two ways. So the first one is to simply scroll down our toolbar. Now scroll down again, go to the next page, and here you'll be able to enable personal hotspot. The next option is to go to our settings, go to connection and sharing, personal hotspot, and here you can enable or disable it. You can also do it in this menu right here. Now let's see all of its settings. So here, after going to the settings, connection and sharing, personal hotspot, we'll be able to customize it, and we need to press on hotspot settings in order to do that. First thing is to set the name for our mobile hotspot network, if you change it to any, it will be visible on other phones with that name. So let's call it hard reset spot, like that. Next thing, pick the security certificate, and I would pick the VPA2 by VPA3 if you want to have the best protection. I wouldn't recommend using VEP on any other phone, or VPA1. The next option is AP band and the password. Let's go for the password first, and here basically write any password and remember it, and if someone tries to connect to your mobile hotspot, he will need to enter that password. Let's do it simple: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because it needs to have at least 8 digits, so I'm just gonna go with from 1 to 8. Next is AP band, and you can change it from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz, and I would actually recommend using 5 GHz if other devices will be connecting that will be connecting to your mobile hotspot are kind of new phones, because then they will have a higher speed, but in the same time it will kind of reduce the range of your mobile hotspot at the same time. If you pick 2.4, the speed will significantly lower, but you'll have some more reach with the actual hotspot. The next option is to enable or disable to be visible to other devices, and it speaks for itself, as if you enable it, it will be visible on other devices when they try to connect, and if not, then it won't. And the last option here is Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, and you can enable it again if other devices will be brand new phones, because on some older devices it might not be available. So let's disable that. Let's enable it to be visible on our other devices. Press OK to save all of our settings. And here we can go to connection management. We can see the block list of the devices. So if you had any devices, you can block them, so they won't be able to reach and connect with your mobile hotspot. The next option is maximum allowed connections, and you can change it from 1 to 10. So let's pick 2, for example. You can also restrict the data usage on your mobile hotspot, and you can do it with all these options right here. So let me pick 1 GB. You can also do it with unrestricted, so then somebody will be able to just use your mobile hotspot unlimited. So after we actually enabled everything here, you can also turn off the personal hotspot automatically if no device is connected for 10 minutes. Now we'll try connecting this mobile hotspot with our other device. So let me bring up another phone. So here's my second phone, and we'll try connecting to this mobile hotspot. So the first thing, make sure that it's enabled right here. You can connect with QR code, so you can scan it with other phone. With this QR code, simply just like scan this like that, and you'll be connected. But let me not do that. Actually, let's forget this network because we already connected to it, and we can try connecting manually. So I enabled Wi-Fi on my phone. I will press on this mobile hotspot hard reset spot as we just changed the name. Now we'll need to enter the password. It's 8 digits: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Press connect, and as you can see, we're connected to this mobile hotspot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.